outer space paintings. Go to PIXLR, create new, full HD is fine. Call it digital painting planet or planet painting, whatever it is. Okay? Planet painting example, create. Remember, navigate, you can zoom out. All right? On layer 1, please add in a gradient. Okay? Gradients, you use the 2 swatches down here. I'm going to make it purple instead. I would prefer that. Okay. You can make it radial as well. Up to you. Sure, I'll go with that. Sometimes you have to you have to click here. And then that first one is what you've created with your watches. So just watch for that. Okay? So now you're going to start painting. So it's a good idea to look up reference images just to see what kind of colors you were working with. Okay. Just so you have an idea of what you're shooting for. You're going to use the brush tool or the draw tool here. Go ahead and make the softness nice and soft. The size varies. It's up to you really on your size. I would lower your opacity to somewhere around 50 is fine. It could be more than that. You'll see this is pretty loose. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. And my screen's super laggy. I'm really hoping that doesn't happen to you guys. Remember, I am recording a tutorial, which slows the Chromebook down quite a bit. Okay, so I'm throwing in different lines, painting in. Yeah, it's super laggy, but yours, I really don't think you guys are going to have this kind of lag problem when you do it, but just paint in varying lightness and darkness of whatever your color palette is. I'm going with, cool colors with some hot pinks thrown in. Okay. And feel free, you can throw in maybe some yellow, and that can always look nice. Okay. This lagging is going to kill me. Okay, gonna go ahead and grab some hot pink. Okay. It's pretty freeform at this point. Don't forget your edges. Okay. Now you're going to use the liquify tool, which is right here. And you're going to liquify. And notice how it's kind of pulling and swirling. We want it to swirl left or right. It's up to you. Size, you can adjust this just like a brush. And of course, yeah, it's going to lag real bad on the Chromebook, but hopefully you guys can see this happening. You see that swirl down there? Okay. That is, let me zoom in so you can see. See the swirling that's going on down here? That's what we want. Okay. So work on that. Planets, new layer, empty. Okay. You're going to want a new layer per planet. You're using shape tool, circle. Whatever is down here will be the color of your planet. I like that color planet. You want no fill. So that's fill, no fill. You'll see quickly, unless I did it wrong. Yeah, so right now there's no fill. I actually want a fill. That's what I want. But you have to make sure these 2 colors are the same. Okay, so there's like a history at the bottom here, so it'll remember whatever color it is you used last. So now it's both the same. Ta-da! Okay, planet, right? Pretty bland planet. This is how we spice them up. A few ways to spice them up. Number 1, filter. You can do a drop shadow. Filter. Oh, it's not letting me. Okay. So other ways to do it. You are going to do okay. You see how glitchy this is? I know what it can do, but it just drives me nuts. So I'm leaving in me being frustrated because this is how you will work through it. It's going to be fine, hopefully. So filter. We can add glows, just like we did to our moons in Photoshop. You can do the same thing here. Glow. Ooh, it's glowing. Moving opacity, release this blur. You want the blur all the way up. Let's boost the. There we go. Okay. You can make the glow whatever color you want. You can make it the color. Yeah, see like the color it is. Ooh. I like the white though. I'm gonna go with the white. Okay. All right. So it's glowing, but the planet itself is still flat. A couple ways you can make it not flat. Other filter is vignette. Vignette. That. See that? It's subtle. You see that darkening on the edges? That's a way to make it look round. Another way to make it look round is using the dodge and burn. Okay, I don't know why this is the same name as Photoshop, nothing else is, but here we are. Okay, and it tells you lighten, darken. Okay, so if I want to darken, see that? It's subtle, but I'll go back. Same thing as like a brush, you can change the size of your burn tool and your dodge. Yeah, you can change your strength, but see that? See this darkening? Like so. You can lighten. Ooh. Darkening here and there. Okay. So I'm going to be looking for that vignette on your planets. I'm going to be looking for the burn and the dodge on your planets. Okay. You need 5 planets of varying sizes to make it look like it has space and depth. Okay. Rings. You can do rings around your planet. You can make a new layer. Okay, empty. Still using the shape tool. And remember, make it whatever. Just gonna make it white. Okay, you want no fill. And then it's a little thin. So I'm gonna go ahead and boost up the stroke. All right, that's fine for the demo. Okay. Then, remember, you guys can zoom in, so you don't have to struggle. Use the eraser tool. Move it to where you exactly want it to be. Rotate it, you know. Then use the eraser and just erase the edge that would be going behind the planet. Like so. Okay. I believe you can add its own glow. In theory. Maybe not because it is. I don't know, see? See how I just like clicked around to try to reset it? You're gonna have to do a level of that. Ooh, look at the glow. Ooh. Oh, okay. Just make sure you're erasing nicely before you try to make it glow. Okay, I'm gonna apply that. Gonna finish up my eraser job. Ooh, ooh. Be careful. Be careful. Okay. Navigate, zoom out. Look at that. Look at this planet painting coming together. Okay. You can go back. Actually, don't put it on layer 1. Make new layer. Empty. You're done with your 5 planets. Remember, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Stars. Definitely going to need stars. Okay. So use your brush. And well, your stars can be any color really. Just make sure it's light. So if it's yellow, it's a light yellow. If it's green, it's a light green. I'm gonna go with white. Okay, and that's gonna be way too big. Yeah. So brush white or a light color. You still want it to be soft, but you know, still have some definition. Okay. These stars are too big. Smaller, and I definitely want it still soft, but I want definition. Don't like that. Don't like that. I'm just playing around here. Smaller. There we go. That's better. Throw in those stars. Once you've got a bunch in at one size, get in there, change the size up, change like the softness, just so there's some variety in your stars. Those stars are too big. You guys get the idea. Okay, so recap, gradient on your background, on your layer 1, then throw in with your brush tool a bunch of different paint colors, okay, with like a lighter opacity on it. All right, then the liquify tool to swirl. All right, and then separate layers for each planet. You're using the shape tool. All right, you are adding in stars. And the last thing you're going to do when you're done, you're going to flatten your image. Okay, I say it's done. So click on that. There we go. Filter. Like I've had you kind of put like an overall filter on most things here. See? You don't have to put a filter, it just depends on, you know, what you like. It can look cool. It's not bad. Ooh. Ooh, Karen. Karen's a nice filter for this one. Play around with it. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Email me. And good luck.